Welcome aboard the GES Aircraft. Today you will have the opportunity to test out your flying skills. Please sit back, listen up, and enjoy the ride.
This is a sensor. It will control your hand motion during flight. Hold your hand steady about 5 inches above the sensor. Keep your hand directly over the sensor without moving too far side to side or up and down. Try to only move your wrist rather than your whole arm.
There are 3 sets of movements you can use to steer.
Extension to move up, flexion to move down, pronation, supination, ulnar deviation, and radial deviation.
Your co-pilot will assist you with your next set of instructions.
Before you take off, you'll have the chance to practice steering your aircraft. On the screen, you will see a hand showing you which motions to do. Hold each movement until the next appears. Get ready for takeoff. The goal of the game is to use the 6 hand movements we mentioned before to fly your way through the hoops. Every time you successfully make it through a hoop, you will get a certain number of points. For each round, your co-pilot will instruct you to use one set of movements or a combination of sets to steer the plane. Remember to keep your arms steady over the sensor and use only your wrist to steer. Also, limit movements that are too far out of its range. A green check mark or red X will appear to tell you whether or not you made it through each hoop. If you complete the level successfully, you will be asked to rate the quality of the flight before you can move on to the next level. Now it's time to fly by yourself.
Nice job, Pilot Nick. Thanks for flying GES. We hope to see you again soon.